Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting product that adds a splash of color and style to your XREAL glasses, the XREAL Kaleido Kit. Let's dive right in. The XREAL Kaleido Kit is designed to let you personalize your XREAL glasses with 6 vibrant colors. Whether you're feeling Dartmouth green, jonquil, navy blue, pale dogwood, royal blue, or verdigris, there's a color to match your mood and style. Applying the skins is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing and carefully apply the skin to your XREAL glasses. They're designed to be easy to use and easy to remove, so you can switch up your look whenever you please. What's great about the XREAL Kaleido Kit is that it's compatible with the XREAL Air, Air 2, and Air 2 Pro models. Whether you're rocking the latest Air 2 Pro with its 3-level electrochromic dimming or the classic XREAL Air, you can add a pop of color to your wearable display. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The skins are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. They're designed to seamlessly integrate with your XREAL glasses without adding bulk or interfering with functionality. But don't just take my word for it. Customers have been raving about the XREAL Kaleido Kit, praising its ease of use and the way it adds a personal touch to their XREAL glasses. So, if you're looking to style up your XREAL glasses and stand out from the crowd, the XREAL Kaleido Kit is the perfect accessory for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, stay stylish.